Hello there, it's Alison from Iron Markets Live. We got a trade signal from one of my mentors for a sell on Great British Pound New Zealand pair. And so when I got this signal, what I came to do, I was in a 4-hour time frame and I could see straight away that this was due for a sell. The sell was already in progress. I missed this top here. As you can see, this top here is in a very important key support, key resistance area. And as you can see here, prices have actually dropped down here before. Okay, so I missed this top move here, but when I got the signal from one of my mentors, I think I was around here. So what I was doing was then looking for an entry. So you can see prices have moved down here before majorly. So that's why I think this is a key resistance area. So I was quite happy that we are in a sell. Okay, so what I then did was to go down to the 1-hour time frame to find an entry back into this market, because I was looking to buy on the retracement or pullback, and I wanted to use the Fibonacci tool to be able to do this. Okay, so I went back on the 1-hour time frame. Let me take that support level out, because that level out, because we know what that is. And what I did was I used the Fibonacci tool here and I drew a line. Let me make this slightly bigger. I drew the tool from this top point here up to this point here, and you can see that we are around the 61.8 retracement of this move. By that I mean, let me get the tool out. You can see this thing went from here up to this point and then retraced. Okay, so what I wanted to do was to see if I could get in around the 50% or 61.2 retracement back. Okay, so luckily for me, I caught the move around 61.8 retracement. Okay, and that was how I jumped in and I caught this move all the way down here. I had 100 pip profit target, and that was actually achieved. If you can see what happened here. Okay, so I wanted to take my profit, so I got 100 pips out of that. And what I'm now doing, I want to get back into the trade. So having said there's already a pullback, what I did was then to go down to the 15 minutes time frame, and then again I used my Fibonacci retracement to come down here again as well. And as you can see, this has actually that's the top here. So it has coincided with spot perfect with the 50% retracement here. So what I did then was to put my sell limit order around here. Okay, I put it around this mark here. As you can see, I'm already catching this move down. I am already about 20 pips in profit down when I enter this move. That is how I use the Fibonacci retracement to find entries back into a position. Okay, so if we go back to the 1-hour time frame, you could see what the trend is. Okay, so this is going coming down, it's retracing, it's coming down, it's retracing, it's coming down, it's retracing, it's going to keep going down. Overall, I see there's a big move to the downside coming, and that is why I tried to do. Okay, so once again, it's Alison from IML showing you how to use a Fibonacci retracement tool to find entries when you have a very strong down or uptrend. Now, the last thing you want to do is to jump in the middle of the trend, and you're going to have drawdowns. Okay, so for example, honestly, you don't want drawdowns. So to avoid drawdowns and use very tight stop losses, it's always good to use your Fibonacci retracement tool to get back into any trade in a trended market. So I hope this makes sense. I will be publishing this video at some point. If you have any questions, please leave it below this video, and I'll be happy to get back to you. Once again, it's Alison. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you very much, and God bless you. Bye bye.